Hello everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the second session of Java and Web, Variables, Data Types and Operators. In this video, we will learn what is the character data type and how computers store character data type. These are the various data types supported by the Java and we are learning character data type. We are learning this char data type. Now the question is, what is a character data type? There are various languages in this world and all languages have their own alphabet. Like Hindi, English, Spanish, French, all languages have their own alphabets. All languages have different ways to represent numbers. All languages also have different extra symbols other than the alphabets and digits, other than the alphabets and numbers. All these symbols together are called characters in Java. That means alphabets, digits and extra symbols from almost all the languages in the world are called characters in Java. If a computer can store only binary, then how can we store character? That means how can we store A, B, C or character which belong to some other language? Means seriously, we can store only binary. Then how we store A, B, C and other characters? There is a solution for this problem in Java is to provide a unique 16-bit integer for all the characters in the world called the Unicode. This is a binary equivalent to capital A. Means if we have to store capital A, then we have to store this 16-bit binary. If we have to store capital B, then we have to store this 16-bit binary. So there are binary equivalent to all the characters in this world. So there are separate 16-bit binaries for all the characters from almost all the languages in this world. There are total 65,536 such binary patterns are available. Means we can represent total 65,536 characters from all the languages in this world. These 16-bit binary numbers called Unicode only treated as unsigned integer. If we treat this 16-bit binary as an unsigned integer, then we will get 65. And if we treat this 16-bit binary as unsigned integer, we will get 66. So these 65 and 66 are Unicodes for A and B respectively. So if we have to store A, we have to store this binary whose unsigned decimal is 65. And if we have to store B, we have to store this binary whose unsigned decimal is 66. Java supports Unicode representation of the character. There is another way to represent the character using 8-bit binary. This is called ASCII representation of the character. You can see here A can be represented using this 8-bit binary and B can be represented using this 8-bit binary. Since there is only 8 bits in the ASCII character, so there are total 256 such patterns are available. Means using ASCII we can represent only 256 characters. C and C++ use ASCII to represent a character. C and C++ treat these binary patterns in both signed and unsigned manner. But the ASCII whose MSB is 0 results in the same decimal in both signed and unsigned manner. If you are not sure what is signed and unsigned integer, then please watch my previous videos in this session. Links are given in the video description below. We can store A using this 8-bit binary pattern in ASCII whose decimal equivalent is 65. We can store B using this binary pattern in ASCII whose decimal equivalent is 66. Because of low range, the ASCII can only represent English alphabet, digits and some other special symbols. When we study the networking concepts in Java and Web, we will need the ASCII. ASCII came before the Unicode, so the bit pattern of ASCII for a given character gets preceded with 8 zeros to make it Unicode. We can see here this binary pattern represents A whose ASCII value is 65. To represent the same number 65 in the Unicode for A, we preceded the same binary with 8 zeros. This is how we converted it in Unicode. You can easily find Unicode table and ASCII table on the internet and can search for the Unicode or ASCII corresponding to your favorite character. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe this channel if you are new and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.